What is going on, everybody? Today we have a TwoSun in the house. If you guys didn't know, this channel is dedicated to Tanto knives and all the great gear, EDC gear that goes along with carrying Tanto knives. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want to catch more great Tanto knives and EDC gear videos coming up in the future. So let's get to this new TwoSun. This is a little uniquer. So let's check it out. This is a utility knife. They can be a little hard to find. When I first found out about this knife, it took me a while to see if it was going to come out. Covered in lots of grease. As always from TwoSun, they're very well lubricated for their long journey from China, obviously. And there you go. A Tanto knife, utility knife. It's a pretty nice Tanto tip from TwoSun. You got your orange G10 scales. Let's see what else we got here without. Got your scissors. This is not a massively big utility knife with a lot of crazy features necessarily. And then you have your saw. And that's it, I think, right? Oh, no. Very nice action. Very, that slip joint, that walk and talk as they were. And you got your pick or whatever back there. Yeah, that's some stiff stuff. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. It's the only thing I can grab out of there. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I like that. Grab the scissors out. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's I mean, that sucker is in there too. I mean, you always hear about guys with slip joints. This thing's covered in oil. I'm gonna end up slipping and cutting myself here. You always hear about guys and, oh man, the walk and talk and how it's got to be stiff and it's got to have that good. This knife has that, definitely. There's no slop. I mean, it's pretty well locked in there. I mean, there's no real slop. And it snaps right back in there, not coming out easily. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. G10 looks good. Pretty thin G10 on there. Feels good in the hand. That's a thick knife. Obviously, you got all your. It's a lot of metal. But yeah, you can hear that. Yeah, so this is the TwoSun 206. Obviously in Tanto, it comes also in drop point. I think they did do another blade in it too. The blade does change, so I know I did see on some of the channels. I have seen that they've got, like I said, I think the drop point's the most popular. I got this actually off of Amazon because the guy that typically sells a lot of them on eBay, he only has the drop point. And this is a rattlesnake design. It's 14 C28N steel. as you can kind of pick out there with the focus. So yeah, not too bad. I paid $45 for this knife, so not too bad for $45 in my opinion. I mean, like I said, your walk and talk is pretty nice there. You got, you got your scissors for doing some tasks, and a nice saw blade. And that is a aggressive saw blade, let me tell you. That thing is sharp as nail. Yeah, those teeth are aggressive, very aggressive. So yeah, pretty impressive. Not too bad for 40. Like I said, 40. I think it was $45. I'll try to find the link and pop it down there below, so if anybody wants to take a look at it from where I got it from, if there's any left, like I said, I'll check it out and leave the link down below in case you guys want to check it out. But yeah, that is the TwoSun TS206 in Tanto with the orange G10. I think they do actually have, sometimes you can catch some different G10 colors too. I think they do black, and I think that's it. I think it's just black and orange. I'm not sure. They kind of come and go. So like a lot of TwoSuns, they can kind of come and go depending on when what they manufacture and when they manufacture them. So, but yeah, that's pretty snappy. That's not bad. If you guys are looking for, like I said, a utility knife that is a Tanto, that brings some uniqueness to the collection, that's for sure. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want more Tanto knives content and EDC gear content. And we'll catch you next time on the next one. Have a great day.